Preparing the drone. Short press to display the battery level. Then long press to power on. Hear a beep and see a flashing yellow light indicates the drone is powered on. Preparing the remote, unfolding the antenna, handle and phone holder. Press the button to power on the controller. Start pairing. Push the left joystick up and down to complete the pairing process. Connecting the Wi-Fi. iOS system. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection in the settings. Find an Bwine F7MINI 5G in the list and then connect. This is a normal display. Different mobile phone systems have different displays, which will not affect the connection and use. Enter the Bwine Mini app. Allow the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to enter the display interface. Watch and follow along with tutorial video. Android system. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection in the settings. Find an Bwine F7MINI 5G in the list and then connect. This is a normal display. Please keep WLAN connection. Enter the Bwine Mini app. Please agree to the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to and enter the display interface. Watch and follow along with tutorial video. If the app displays real-time video transmission, the Wi-Fi connection is successful. Start calibrating. Hold the drone 1 meter above the ground and rotate it 2-3 times horizontally. Please be careful not to tilt the drone. Then you will hear a beep and see the flashing yellow light. Hold the drone 1 meter above the ground and rotate 2-3 times vertically. Then you will hear 2 beeps and see the flashing red light, indicating the compass calibration is completed. When the indicator light is solid red, the drone is searching for GPS signal. GPS signal search is completed when the indicator light is solid green. Set flight parameters. You can set beginner mode according to your personal needs and set the flight parameter. APP unlock. Tap the takeoff icon and swift right to the unlock motor and then tape to take off. Press the up and down button to land. Controller unlock. Push the left stick up to unlock the motors. Push up again to take off. Remote the controller demonstration. Left joystick adjusts the aircraft's altitude and nose direction. Right joystick control the direction of drone flight. Press to take a picture. Press to record video. Adjust the camera angle up and down, within 90 degrees. Press the 1 key return button. The drone will automatically return.